Software applications are everywhere, and they became a crucial part of our lives. Every one of us has used a software in one way or another. You can see software in many apps on your phone, medical machinery in hospitals, in your car or airplanes, in business applications like banking and the stock market, and even in entertainment where all your favorite movies are made using software. Software that doesn't work or even have minor problems might cause huge problems and frustrations. A small miscalculation in a business application might cause loss of money, or lengthy software operation or slow report might waste time and causes frustration if you are waiting online for your turn at a cashier. Your business reputation will be in jeopardy if your software is not up to standards and could even cause injury or death. There are many examples of minor software issues that cause huge problems. I will just show you one of the very famous problems.
Décollage.
That was the first launch of the European Space Agency Ariane 5 rocket in June 1996. Failed after 37 seconds, which caused the loss of millions of dollars. After investigation, the problem came down to a single step in the software that causes the software to crash, a hardware to crash, and then the whole rocket to crash. So taking care of creating a good, stable, functional software should be our goal. Moreover, no issues in a software is a small issue. I have seen software projects fail because of a minor single typo in one of the screens of the software. When the customer saw the typo after delivering the software, he cancelled his future work with that company. He said that if they didn't catch an obvious problem like this one, how would they discover hidden problems in the software?